The objects are the basic visualization components. They are placed on the diagrams and inside the template. This module explains how to add new objects and discusses their properties. An object can be added by opening the Tools panel, expanding the Objects list and selecting the desired object. Alternatively, right-click on the diagram and select an option from the Objects list. For example, a shape. Click and drag on the diagram to draw the object. Another object can be selected from Tools. Click and drag to draw the selected object. To add a vertices-based object, click multiple times to place vertices at desired locations, right-click to finish editing. After clicking an object, its properties will be displayed in the Properties panel. In this panel, the object's name can be changed. For example, the name of a rectangle 1. There are also other properties: position and size area, the variable control area, the object activation area, diagram scaling properties, mouse properties, such as hints and cursor options. Lastly, position and size lock properties. Other properties vary depending on the type of object. Shapes, gauges, and pipes each have distinct properties. The same applies to state properties. Pipes, gauges, and shapes have different state properties. Default properties are listed under the basic state. New states can be added by clicking the plus button. Different states can have distinct properties. Each new state has a state condition which must be active to apply the state's properties. Setting the state condition to true makes the condition always active, applying the state's properties to the rectangle 1. For instance, the color can be changed to yellow. Setting the state condition to false will revert the object to the properties of the basic state. All changes to the object are reflected in real time. In the Events section, various events can be assigned actions. Animation actions run periodically and are designed for object motion. There are groups of user-dependent actions. On mouse down, on click, on double-click, holding mouse buttons, or moving the mouse around. To preview the diagram in runtime mode, go to the top bar and click the Preview button. The diagram will then be displayed in runtime mode.